Hi guys, this is Jay from Life RX Wellness, and if you have one of those clients, take a look.
Oh man, I can't believe the problems I got. I got a problem with my right shoulder. My back has been hurting. I bent down the other day. My left knee was bothering me. You know, I got these problems in my ankles, and I don't like any of it. I don't know what to do. And the stocks.
What's
My
stocks?
God, it was down. I was on. I can't even believe. Well, Amazon. If you look at Amazon, Tesla.
Yeah, terrible things.
I mean, I'm just like going crazy on my cousin and my sister, they got problems. I got to go to their birthday party. I don't like any of them.
Okay. So, let's start our session. Go ahead, lay down, face down.
Well, anyway, I decided to sell. I'm going to sell my house. I'm going to leave. I got to leave Los Angeles.
So that's you recognize this. This is the stress. A lot of people come with the stress. So a lot of people come with the stress and they never stop because they scared, they're afraid, they have a lot of pain, inflammation. Why? Because if the stress, especially right now in our time, all this AI, stocks, bitcoins. So this is truly create the stress in your body, increase this cortisol in your body, and only release that through massage. And if you see customers like that, do not work very hard on him, start to try to stretch. He wants to relax. And the first very important step in this case, it's make him start breathe, start feel that body. And this is what I usually do. So he's keep talking, he keep doing that. And what I'm doing, I just place my hands on his ribs, on his, close to spine. I'm never push on the spine. And here, I'm just do this nice relaxation technique. Let the customer calm down. Let the customer calm down.
Oh, the traffic has been bothering me. It took me
he keep
25
doing that.
minutes.
Yeah, he keep
Get out
doing
of
that.
here.
And now watch. All right, David, I just want you to relax. Take a deep breath. Let everything go. Of course, I put some bolster and he start breathing. And I want you to deep breathe, David. Push against me. He's very in stress. To release that, to not release, to help him out. Make sure he's going to go to this breath, to normal breath. This heartbeat is high now. And you see you can start move that fascia. Of course, I'm showing very fast. I come up on this lower back. I feel that tension. Just let him breathe. So he's breathing through my hands. He's breathing through his tension. Do you feel this, David?
Oh, yeah. That feels good. Finally,
Right.
I can take a breath.
Exactly. So he's releasing. So don't try jumping the table and doing all this stuff. I see people doing this quick and more increasing more blood circulation, increase that more energy. So you want this person calm down. If the person come in and he's so tired, I'm this and that, this is good idea to do those great movements, those big strokes. But now, when your customers calm down, when he relax, when he's go more focus on himself, this is the time to start the treatment. And that's the key. So, anti-stress massage therapy. If you guys stressful, give us a call. We can start work on you. And of course, don't forget about that nice skull massage, because this is the best for anti-stress. We're holding this in our face. You can see those TMJ, a lot of comment we're going to talk about this later. That upper trapezius is jammed. You feel like that a monkey holding position, like the shrugging shoulders, try to protect yourself because you're scared, it's stress. Like I said, this is important to take a look on those customers and ask the questions as much as possible if any pain present. But this was the stress, and it's so many right now. So get your anti-stress massage therapy in Massage RX Los Angeles. We can go to your house, we can go to your office, work on your the whole team, and especially on you, because great leader need to be stress-free. You guys have a wonderful day.